Alright guys, so the first app on my list is the Trove investment app. So just click on the Trove investment app here. If you want to invest in the US stock market, you want to buy Apple, Microsoft shares, all you can do is to use the Trove app. So you can sign up, just follow everything, simple. And Trove is similar like the other app that I'm going to share with you. Alright, so I'm going to log in. Alright, so as you can see, alright, so you can invest in automobiles. If you're in Ghana, Nigeria, you can invest in sports. As you can see, Manchester United here. So you can invest in Manchester United team. Alright, simple like that. So don't just support the team, invest your money and become a shareholder. You can also invest in technology. So you can also click on all teams here. And you see you can invest in automobile, sports and reaction, remote work, technology, energy, communication services, healthcare, financial services, oil and gas, e-commerce, consumer service, or real estate. So you can use the Trove app to invest in real estate. Simple guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it's helping you. Now let's move on to the next app. The next app on my list is called IC World. Investing with confidence. Begin today. So with IC World, you can also register. It's just simple. Just follow it. Your first name, your last name, then you proceed. Okay. So I'm gonna log in into my account. And with IC World, you can use your Gmail or mobile phone to create an account. So I use my mobile phone. So I'm gonna enter that. I'm gonna enter my password. Okay, so let me use my Face ID rather. With IC liquidity, if you want to invest in the Ghana stock exchange market, I will recommend this for you. Okay, so just create a simple account with it, verify your account. If you want me to do a full video, comment in the description and I will teach you everything. So with IC World, you can invest in the Ghana stock exchange market and you can also invest in the IC liquidity fund, which is in the form of fixed income. Okay, so let's check some of the companies that you can invest in the Ghana stock exchange market. So you can invest in Anglo Gold, Ashanti, Access, ADB Bank, Car Bank. Guys, there's a lot. EcoBank, FarmMilk, GCB, ABSA. Okay, there's a lot. You can also buy MTN shares. You can also invest in the SIC. You can also invest in Total and Unilever. Alright, so all that you have to do is to create an account and any of the companies that you want to invest, just click on that and head over to buy. Okay, simple like that. You can also invest in IC liquidity world. Simple. If you want me to do a full video, just leave a comment and I will come and show you everything that you have to know. There's a lot. Now moving on to the third app on my list. The third app on my list is the Binance. So let's click on the Binance. With the Binance, if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, you can use the Binance. Alright, so it's very simple. All that you have to do is to sign up. You're gonna sign up for everything and verify your account. Okay, but the process is simple. Just sign up and verify your account. I don't know why it's not loading, so I'm gonna log in. You can log in. You can sign up with your Google account as I did. So I'm gonna log in. With Binance, you can also invest in cryptocurrencies, trade cryptocurrencies. Alright, there's a lot of things that you can do with Binance. Okay, Bitcoin, there's a lot. Then Litecoin, WorldCoin. Okay, as you can see, Ethereum. I have to complete my KYC verification, which is know your customer. Everything is simple. This is not my main account. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you can use the Binance. Now let's move on to the next app that you can use if you're in Ghana. moving on to the fourth investment app in Ghana is the Achieve Investment app. The Achieve Investment app. So let me click on that, guys, and you will love Achieve Investment app. The link is in the description box. Click on the link and download the same app. Okay, so with the Achieve Investment app, let me show you what you can use it for. If you deposit your money in the bank, you gain nothing from that. Okay, some of the bank you can gain a little bit interest, some you gain nothing. Okay, and when you leave your money in your Momo wallet, you also gain nothing. But when you use the Achieve Investment app, then you use the DigiSave. Okay, you use the DigiSave account, which I'm going to show you. This one, when you use this DigiSave and deposit your money, as time goes on, when you leave that money in your account, you'll be earning small interest. Okay, so let me prove that to you. Let me go back, show you. So let's click on this one. So guys, as you can see, total top up that I did was 1,125 Ghana cedis. All right, I've already cashed out this one, and now you can see the balance is 61 Ghana cedis. All right, and you see that I've earned a total of what, 2 cedis on it. All right, you can see the curve here. So the more I leave this money here, I will earn more interest. I've already cashed out the 1,125 Ghana cedis. That you can see, I withdrew 8. All right, I withdrew some of them, as you can see. So it's very nice to save your money with Achieve Investment app. And with Achieve Investment app, you can also invest in Eurobond. Okay, so this is the Eurobond Trust moderate risk investment option, fully invested in US denominated investment. All right, we recommend that you invest for at least 2 years before withdrawing. This investment generated a CD return of what, 8.20% last month. All right, so guys, as you can see, you are getting a CD return of 8.20%. So if you use this, you'll be making more money. Let me simplify everything for you. You can use the Achieve Investment app to invest into Eurobond in the form of investment, and with the DigiSave in the form of what, savings, and earning more on that. I don't know whether it gets me. Comment in the description box. Let me know that you got me right. And with Achieve Investment, the sign up to is very simple. Click on the link, use the referral code in the description box, and let me show you. Very soon you can use Achieve Investment app to request for loans. Now you can use the Achieve Investment app to create insurance cover. All you have to do is to click on request call back. Guys, one of their agents will reach to you within the next 24 hours, and with a click you will be signing on the insurance cover. Everything is simple. And let me tell you what you can also use the Achieve Investment app for, to earn more money even if you don't have any money invested. All you have to do is to click on your profile icon here, then click on this. You can refer people, and anytime somebody clicks on your link, you'll be earning money without you investing. So as you can see, I refer 6 people, and out of the 6, 5 people made payment. And guys, let me be honest with you, I've already cashed out this money. You can see it's what, 0 here. I've redeemed it. Maybe the next time I will show you the proof. All right, so they made their deposit and I earned 10 cedis each. So if you are able to refer 10 people in a day, meaning you make your 100 Ghana cedis a day. It's very interesting. Just copy your referral link here, just click on share link and share it to anybody you want, guys. Simple like that. Now moving on to the app number 5 on my list to invest in Ghana is the Chaka app. All right, so if you want to invest, you can use the tracker. Just click on the tracker. Oh guys, I don't know, it's not loading. It's simple, it's similar to the Trove. All right, so you can use the tracker. Just go to your Play Store and search tracker. All right, you can also use to enable it. I have to restart my phone before it will open. I don't know. If you can help me solve this problem, leave the comment in the description box. Okay, this Apple iPhone SR, so I don't know why. It's similar to the Trove. All right, so if you also want to invest, if you're in Ghana, Nigeria, you can use this. Now let's move on to the next app is the Bamboo Investment app. The link is in the description box. Click on that and download the same app. Use the referral code, it will pop up on the screen. With Bamboo Investment app, you can invest in the US stock market. Just sign up. It's very simple, guys. Very simple. There's a lot that you can do with this app. You see, it's similar like the Trove, but if you're in Ghana, I recommend this one for you. You can invest in the S&P 500 rate. All right, real estate, bank ETFs, fixed income ETF. All right, it's very simple. Bonds, ETF, gold, oil and gas. Guys, so there's a lot that you can do with food, currency ETFs. So all you have to do is to create an account. I've done a full video, the link is in the description box. Just click on that and sign up with the Bamboo Investment app to make your deposit. Guys, everything is simple with all the apps that I've shown you. Comment in the description box the one that you want me to do a full video. But with the Bamboo and the Achieve Investment app, I've done a lot on those apps. Go and watch those videos if you are having any challenge. So guys, these are the 6 apps that you can use to invest if you are in Ghana or Nigeria. Start investment now, because none of the richest people made it through savings. It's very simple. See you in the next video. Give the video a like, comment in the description box, and without wasting much of your time, see you in the next video. Happy investment.